my channel. Hello, YT. I am back with another video. You may hear my kids in the back. I do apologize. But this video is going to consist of a install wig tutorial. I'm going to be installing this wig that I got off of Amazon. The package looks so janky, but yeah, it's real janky, y'all. Because it was a really cheap wig. It was about $60. It wasn't even that much. It's just a 10-inch bob or whatever. Real cheap. So all they gave me was the wig and wig cap. Like the cheapest wig cap you've ever found, because I really need an HD wig cap, but we're gonna work with what we got, so it is what it is. I'm fairly still new to putting on wigs, especially on camera. My wigs are not the best, but it's the best for me. It does the trick for me. So yes, you guys, so this video will consist of me putting on my wig. Y'all, this ball cap is like so not my color, but we are gonna make it work, okay? We're definitely gonna make it work. Just gonna peel it back a little bit. What I will be using is my hot comb, this edge booster or whatever you want to call it. If it's look backwards, I do apologize. Some stuff I needed to get some more y'all, look at this, what this lady sold me at the beauty supply store. This gold edge control brush. Look like somebody used it, or am I tweaking? Got a little gold up in there too, like am I tweaking? But yeah, she gave me this. It's pretty cute, like it. All right. And then I just got some little lashes from them. This is the lashes I get from the beauty supply store when I don't get them done. My lashes dead. And I like this to use this to lay my edges down. I love to use this to lay my edges down. And I use regular glue to do my lashes. Don't judge me. I'm still a little on the ghetto side when it comes to doing my lashes by myself. I do have my flat irons plugged up right now, getting hot, and yeah, we got to get into it. So I'm about to get ready and kind of like try to mold it to how I want it to be, because listen, this wig, I need to see how it's gonna lay, because right now it's like going to the back and doing some Ike type stuff right now, and I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm just trying to see for right now before I put it on. Okay. Y'all, some Amazon wigs be a win and some of them don't, but I ain't gonna talk bad about it yet because I just put it on my head. But I'm like not, I don't know. I'm definitely trying to see what this wig is gonna be giving, okay? I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm looking in the mirror behind me. Oh, it's a snag. That was a snag. I don't know why I feel like the wig is hiked up in the back. Okay, where's my Lexi? Get it. Healthy. I'm definitely gonna cut off this in the back because I don't know what they expect for me to do. Put this in a ponytail because it's so little. I just hate the way I keep putting this on my forehead like that. I really hope this wig gives what I needed to give. You know what I mean? Y'all, I don't know how to do this on camera, so I might have to come back. I'm gonna come back, y'all. Okay, I feel like this side is looking just a little bit better, but I have to cut it a little bit more, like you got that little janky piece in the back. I'm gonna have to maybe bump it a little bit because it's just like, I don't know what that's doing. I might cut it up a little bit more, but this is how it was looking before I cut it. It's like a, I don't know what that is, I guess. And then, yeah, I'm gonna cut it up just a little bit more. Yeah. All right, since I cut it, y'all, it looked a little bit better. I just gotta keep playing with it, y'all, and I definitely can't do that on camera. So once I get an even cut all the way around, and then do this side the same way, because y'all see these ends is real janky. This wig could definitely be a whole lot plucked more, but I'm not gonna do all of that right now, I guess. I am just going to bring it down some. I feel like the hairline is very off anyway. Like it's really off. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my glue. Okay. So yeah, I have this little clip. I'm just gonna clip it back. Whew. Lord, I'm sweating. It's the summertime. I pray my next place have some freaking air, central air, cause I can't do this. All right, y'all, I'm just taking off. Don't start Kovu. He is so spoiled, y'all. He's 6 months now, and he hates to be in his cage. He's just such a spoiled big baby. Okay, there we go. Okay, I have to do it off camera, y'all, because it's just, I gotta watch what I'm doing, y'all. Okay? So, I shall return. Okay, y'all? I'm only gonna do 2 coats of the glue, and I'm gonna smooth it in with the end of my Rexel comb. Okay? So, I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll be back. Sorry. So, this is the first coat I did. Just gonna show y'all. I definitely need to lay off the wigs. Y'all need to get some glueless wigs because I feel like it's tearing my edges out just a bit. And I don't want to be bald, okay? I don't want to be on here saying, y'all, this is the perfect edge gel to use to grow your edges. I don't want to make no video about that. Okay, hold on, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the next coat. Okay, I feel like that smelled it good enough. Oh, they're talking too loud. Journey about to wake up. All right, this is what it's giving. Real janky, looking real white. So I need to get my foundation. All right, this is the best it's doing. It looks better, a little better. Still can see a little bit. It's not too perfectionist, but yeah, I don't like how. Boy, this hairline is so jacked up. I hate this hairline on this freaking wig, y'all. It is so bumped. Like, I look like a white, let me be quiet. I ain't even gonna be racial. But we definitely gonna bring out some baby hairs. We're definitely gonna do that, okay? So this is how one side is currently looking. And I'm gonna put some baby hairs in there. Like I said, I might cut it just a little bit more up. But yeah.
J Wood Beat Stock.